Hi, today I've ordered me Poco M5s and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap here to Wi-Fi section. After that, click here to Wi-Fi switcher and we can see here all the available networks. Just let's use one from these networks. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password to have no some mistakes, you should click to this icon. So I'll do this out of screen. Now we should tap here to connect. Let's wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you should just if you want to use more networks here, just by the same way, tap to connect, enter the password, click connect, and then you can switch between these networks. For example, when you have slow internet connection, just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should use this switcher also. So that's all. We have one more way how we can do that. Just open the notification panel shortcuts. Here you will find the Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi. To turn it off, we should click here once again. But to launch Wi-Fi settings, we should hold it for a while. And now we'll just launch the same Wi-Fi settings, and by the same way we should enter the password, tap to connect, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.